Hi guys and welcome in our new lesson which is Grammar 2 in Unit 11 Wish You Were Here. Today's lesson is a little bit new to you but it's very simple and you're going to enjoy understanding it. Okay, actually, it's a new thing, a little bit. Okay, it's something called gradable and non-gradable adjectives and adverbs. So, let's hear in this table. It's going to be very, very, very simple for you. Okay, just I want you guys to study this table very well. Okay, so here we have something called gradable and something called non-gradable. From its name, gradable means something that has grades. It can be a little bit, it can be normal, it can be high. Okay, non-gradable means that it doesn't have grades. It's because the word itself or the adjective is at its limit. Let's see how. So the gradable is vary in intensity or grade, as I told you. Like the word cold, for example, I can say a little bit cold. I can say very cold. I can say extremely cold. Okay. And they have comparative and superlative. I can say this film is more boring than that film. This movie is more interesting than that movie. This movie is the most exciting movie I have ever seen. So the gradable are the things that have grades. Okay, we can say little, we can say very, we can say fairly, we can say immensely. Okay, so they are things that have grades. Okay, let's see how. The gradable and non-gradable are classified into two things: the adverbs, gradable adverbs, and gradable adjectives. We cannot say these adjectives without these adverbs, or these adverbs cannot comes only these adverbs come only with these adjectives. Okay, so again, these gradable adverbs come with these gradable adjectives only. Okay, so what are the adverbs that are gradable? These are the adverbs, and you have to study this list very well: little, extremely, fairly, hugely, immensely, intensely, rather, reasonably, slightly, unusually, and very. Okay, these words, okay, are the only adverbs that come with these adjectives. What are these adjectives? They are bad, big, clean, cold, crowded, difficult, dirty, frightened, funny, good, happy, hot, hungry, interested, old, pretty, scary, small, surprised, tasty, tired, ugly. So I can say here little clean, I can say fairly cold, I can say rather good, I can say hugely old, I can say extremely difficult, I can say this exam is extremely difficult. Okay, I am hugely hungry. Okay, so these adverbs, we call them gradable adverbs. They come with these gradable adjectives. Okay, so this is called gradable. And what is the non-gradable adverbs and non-gradable adjectives? What are these things? They are that cannot vary in intensity or grade. They don't have any grades because they are at their limit. Okay, when I say awful, there is nothing more than awful. Terrible, there is nothing more than terrible. Enormous, there is nothing more than huge, enormous, gigantic, giant. They are already at their limit. When I say big, it's not at its limit. Okay, but when I say enormous, okay, we reached the limit already. So that we don't need to put grades here because they are already at their limits. And they are all alone. Okay, we cannot say there is no comparative and superlative for them. Okay, so here the adverbs are absolutely, utterly, completely, totally. These are the four adverbs that come with all these adjectives, as you can see. Okay, so what are these adjectives? But first I want to tell you something. There are some adverbs that can come with the gradable and that can come with the non-gradable adjectives. What are these adverbs? We have these adverbs: really, fairly, pretty, and quite. I have already make it italic. I have already made it italic for you and bold in order to know that these are common adverbs between the two gradable and non-gradable adjectives. So let's see together the adjectives of the non-gradable, and you will feel that they are already at the limit, at the maximum limit. Like awful, terrible, horrible, enormous, huge, gigantic, spotless, freezing, packed, impossible, filthy, terrified, hilarious, brilliant, wonderful. So all these ancient, something which is very old, okay, shattered, exhausted, delicious, hideous, all these are non-gradable adjectives. Okay, so it will come for you in the choose maybe, and will put for you an adverb from these and will tell you bad or awful, for example, or horrible. If you studied that these adverbs come with these adjectives, you will put the right one. So please, guys, you have to know that these adverbs come with these adjectives, and these adverbs come with these adjectives for the non-gradable things also. Okay, so this timetable or this table, okay, is a very, very important one. Okay, and it will help you a lot. Okay, I'm going to maximize it so that you can take a screenshot or something. Okay, you can take a screenshot and then you can move to the next part. Okay, and I'll try to upload it for you as a word a page. Okay, so this is the part which is called the gradable and non-gradable. Let's highlight them in the grammar reference that we have in page 174. You will find it. It's 11.4 gradable adjectives. They are the same as what I have just told you. Gradable adjectives can vary in intensity or grade. Cold today, very cold. It can be used with the adverbs that I told you about. I have put it for you in a table so that it will be very easy to learn. Okay, so these are all the adverbs, okay, that can come with the adjectives, and I have put for you a list for all the adjectives that I want you to study. Okay, so I can say here fairly big, I can say reasonably easy, okay, and they have comparative and superlative forms. Okay, they have comparative and superlative forms. Okay, like more boring than, okay, and the most boring of all. Alright, now let's move to the non-gradable. The non-gradable adjectives, they are the adjectives that, one, cannot vary in intensity or grade because they are already at their limit. Okay, when I say it was freezing, that's the limit. Okay, it was boiling, that's the limit. Starving, the highest limit of hungry. Okay, and what are the adverbs that can come with the non-grading? They are absolutely, utterly, completely, and totally. Okay, these are the four adverbs that I want you to study as well. I can say absolutely exhausted. I can say completely exhausted. I can say totally exhausted. I can say I am completely lost. But at the same time, there are some adverbs I told you in the table that they can come with the gradable and non-gradable adjectives. What are these adverbs? Really, fairly, pretty, and quite. So these are the four adverbs that can come with the gradable and the non-gradable adjectives. Okay? So let's go back to our page, which is in the in page number 1. Just a second. Page number 142. Okay, and let's see. They have explained what I have just told you. Okay, so if you want to study them again, gradable and non-gradable. Okay, and then here you are going to tell me which of these are gradable and for G, and the non-gradable is for N. Hungry. excellent, gradable, I can say very hungry. Boiling, of course, this is the maximum, it will be non-gradable. Cold, excellent, it's gradable, I can say cold, very cold, extremely cold. Furious, this is the highest point of angry, so it's what? Non-gradable. Excellent. Hot, very good, it's gradable, I can say very hot. Angry, again gradable. Angry is gradable. Furious is non-gradable because furious is the highest limit of angry. Excellent. Cold, what's the highest point? Freezing, so here it's what? Non-gradable. Excellent. Starving for hungry. Hungry is gradable, and what's the non-gradable of hungry? Starving. Excellent. So these are the adjectives. Very good. We are excellent all. Okay, now let's go to exercise B. Now write an appropriate adverb before each of the following adjectives. So here they brought for you a list of all the adverbs that can come before the adjectives. Okay, hungry. So we are going to put what? The adverbs of the gradable adjectives. These are all the adverbs of the gradable adjective. You have to study them very well. Boiling, non-gradable. So what are the 4 adverbs of the non-gradable? Very good. Absolutely, almost, utterly, and really. Cold, again we are going to put this list of the adverbs. Excellent. Furious, non-gradable. So we are going to put these adverbs. Or absolutely, utterly, maybe. Because I cannot say I'm really furious or I am almost furious. It can be, but no problem. Hot, this is gradable, so I will put this list. Excellent. Okay, angry, again it's gradable, so I'm going to put again this list. Freezing, no, this is non-gradable, so I'll put one of the 4 here. Starving, again non-gradable, so I'll put these. So you have, please write them, they are very, very important. The adverbs, I told you the 4 adverbs, these 4 adverbs can come with the gradable and non-gradable adjectives. Alright? Now let's move to another point here that we are going to have. Okay? Which is the adjective order. The adjective order, I think you took this lesson from primary stage. It's a very simple one. Okay, what do you think about these two people? What do you think about her? What do you think about him? Let's see the adjective order together. What are adjectives? And I told you adjectives, they are descriptive words. They tell us more about the noun. Adjectives usually go before the nouns, usually, okay? Mention the adjectives that you know, like handsome, young, old, blue, German. They have order. They have order. In order to describe a noun, you are going to put the adjectives in an order. And this order should be in a right way, okay? What is this order? The order that I like is that usash, I prefer here to be usashkum. The word usashkum, O for opinion, your opinion, wonderful, beautiful, handsome, all these are called opinion, okay? Size, big, small, heavy, light, okay? Usa, the A is for age, okay? What's age? Age like old, new, modern. Then usash, the sh is for shape, like round, oval, triangular, rectangular. Then usash, k is for a C is for color, blue, black, white, yellow. Usashko, o origin. What's the origin? Like Indian, American, Egyptian, okay? M stands for material, okay? Usashkom. M is for the material, like leather, cotton, linen, wool, okay? And here it's a new thing, which is the purpose, so I prefer the word not usashkom, it's usash, sh for the shade, kom. And this is an extra thing, okay? Opinion, like as I told you, friendly, beautiful, handsome, horrible, difficult, interesting, ugly. Size, like Huh? Large, tiny, enormous, little, short, small, tall, high, big, thick, thin, etc. Age like, young, old, ancient, new. Shape like, square, round, flat, rectangular, triangle. Color like, blue, pink, reddish, gray, white, black. Origin like French, American, Eastern, Greek. And then the material like wooden, metal, cotton, paper. The purpose is like he was sleeping, roasting, racing, walking. This is the purpose of what he was doing, but this is not that much important for us. Okay, let's take an example. A wonderful old Italian dog. Okay, wonderful, this is my opinion. I write at first the word usashkum. After I write the word usashkum, like here, huh? U sa usashkum. Usash. O, opinion. So I'll take wonderful. S, size. No size here. A, age. Yes, I have age. Old. Then shape. No shape here. Color. No color here. Origin. Yes, I have the Italian. And then the material. No material here. So this is the right order. It can come to you in the choose. A big square blue or a big blue square or a square big blue box. And you have to select the right order. You have to write the word and see which is the right order. First we have the size, S, shape, sh, and color, so we are in the right order, big square blue. And the same with these examples, okay? Next, so here, no need to talk about these things. They are extra information for you. Let's do this together. Rectangle, small wooden, huh? O sashkum. O is for opinion. No opinion here. Size, yes, small. So I found small. Ha usa a is for what? Age, no age here. Usash, shape. Yes, I have rectangular. So small, rectangular, wooden for the material box. Huh, here, can you do it? Oh, opinion? No. Size? Yes, small. Usa, age, shape, color, so small, brown, paperback. Okay, and the others like that. We are going to do it as a homework for you, starting from number 3 till 6. Okay? Now let's go back to our grammar. Let's go back to our grammar reference. Okay. The adjective order, and here it's written in a very nice way. You can use them in studying. Okay, to describe something or someone, we usually put them in the following order. O, opinion, and here examples. O, sa, sh, k, usashkum. Okay, and they gave you some examples here. So please guys, I want you to study these words very well, okay, or study the word that I told you about. It will help you a lot. O, right after me please. Usa, usa, shape, k, usashkum. I'm sorry, I'm writing in this handwriting because I'm using the mouse. Okay, so this is the word that you have to put in front of you while solving any of the adjective order question. Okay, so let's go back now to our text. Okay, complete the rule. Okay, first of all, let's do exercise C. Underline the adjectives. On our holiday, we returned a fantastic new red Italian sports car. So what are the adjectives here? Very good, fantastic, new, red, Italian, sports, very good. What about two? Big, old, leather, very good. So these are the adjectives. Next. So when we use two or more adjectives together, they usually come in the following order, huh? Oh, very good. Usa, s, usa. Here there is a mistake. There should be the space before the sh. Okay, so the space here, please correct it, should be here. The H should be before the shape. It should be here, okay? So this is a mistake here in the book. Please, I want you to put the H before the shape. Okay, then color, and then material. Excellent. You're all awesome. Now I want you to answer these questions for the gradable and non-gradable, and then we are going to answer the question for the adjective order, okay? And guys, you have homework in your booklet or the grammar section. Please start solving them all, okay? I want you to do the homework, unit 11, grammar section, okay? You'll find a word written on the booklet. It's called grammar, and then you are going to solve all the section of the grammar, because we have already, by this, we finished our grammar for this unit, okay? So let's start with number 1. Circle the correct words. How I am going to solve this? Let's look. I have the word very. Very is a gradable adverb or non-gradable adverb? Very good. It's a gradable adverb. So I choose from here the gradable adjective. Which is the gradable? Excellent or good? Huh? Excellent. It's good. Here again, rather. Rather is from the gradable or the non-gradable adverbs? From the gradable adverbs. So I use the gradable adjective that comes with this adverb. So it will be hungry. Excellent. Okay, number 3, absolutely. Absolutely is excellent, non-gradable adverb. So I use with it the non-gradable adjective, which is freezing. Okay. Slightly. Slightly what? Very good. Slightly is with the gradable. So, and now, annoyed. Excellent. Here they are telling us to use the adverb. So it will be quite or rather certain? Quite certain. Excellent. Extremely or completely popular? Extremely. Amazing. Cheap. Reasonably. Very good. And the last one, it's virtually impossible or difficult? Impossible, because this is non-gradable. You are all awesome. Thank you so much. And now let's go to, this is how it will come to you in the exam, okay? And now let's go to the adjective order. Let's look here. We have blue, wooden, pretty. What's the first step? To write the word usashkin. Is there opinion here? Yes. Pretty. So sa is what? Size. Usa, no size here. Usa age, no age here. Usa shape, no shape here. Color, yes. So pretty, blue, then material, wooden. Let's check. We are excellent. Can you solve the rest? Number 2 is? Excellent. Comfortable white leather. Excellent. 3. Wow. Awesome. Rusty old metal. Very good. Number 4. Excellent. Cool green Swiss. Out. 5. Plastic ugly red. It will be what? Excellent. Ugly red plastic. Very good. Awesome. And the last one. Amazing. Ridiculous. Big designer. Thank you so much. You're all awesome. And let's go after that, immediately after listening to my lesson. Please, I want you to solve the booklet in order to correct it together, inshallah, when we come back. So I hope, I want to tell you something actually here in this unit. You have to know that virtually is one of the adverbs of the non-gradable. If you want to if you want to add it to your list, or to the list of the timetable, or the table that I have just done it for you. Okay, I want you to know that virtually adverb comes with the non-gradable adjectives, which is impossible. Okay, so thank you. I hope that you have understood the lesson. Okay, thank you so much, and goodbye.